Assalamualaikum, hello guys. Today we are going to talk about arithmetic series. Let me introduce myself and my friends before we start. First, introduce myself. My name is Sinta Rehan Safitri and my friends is Naya Zulfana Majida and Nur Hijrah. Okay guys, I will start from what is the arithmetic series? An arithmetic series is the sum of the terms in an arithmetic sequence with a definite number of terms. First, we start from the formula for an arithmetic sequence. Look at the formula on the slide. A plus D, A plus 2D. So we keep adding D all the way to the n terms in the sequence, whereas A is A1, A plus D is A2, A plus 2D is A3, and A plus n minus 1 times D is A sub n. Next, arithmetic series regression formula. An arithmetic regression is a sequence of numbers such that the difference D between each consecutive term is a constant. The arithmetic series is just the sum of an arithmetic sequence. You can see the formula in the
Okay,
column on this
now
slide.
you're going to
So
get
let's
2
call the
times S
arithmetic
sub n.
series S
Well,
sub n.
what
And
the
for
sum of these
example, it
two
will
first
be
terms?
one of these
I'm going
terms.
to have A plus n minus 1 times D. Now, let's add both of this second term. So, if I were to add both of this second term, what do I get it? I'm going to get 2A plus 2A. And what's D plus n minus 2 times D? So you can view it several ways. Let me write this over here. What is D plus n minus 2 times D? Well, this is just the same thing as 1D plus n minus 2 times D. And so you could just add the coefficient. So, this is going to be n minus 2 plus 1 times D, which is equal to n minus 1 times D. So, the second term also becomes 2a plus n minus 1 times D. Now, let's add the third term. I will do it in green. And I think you're going to see a pattern here. It is 2a plus 2a, and if I have 2 plus n minus 3 of something and then I add 2, I'm going to have n minus 1 of the something. So, plus n minus 1 times D. And you're going to keep doing this all the way until your n pair of term. All the way. Until you add these two characters over here, which is just 2a plus n minus 1 times D. So, you have this 2a plus n minus 1d being added over and over again. And how many times are you doing that? Well, you had n pair of terms when you were adding these two equations.
In each of them, you had n terms. This is the first terms, this is the second terms, this is the third terms, all the way to the n terms. So I can rewrite 2 times the sum 2 times. S sub n is going to be n times this quantity. It's going to be n times 2a plus n minus 1 times d. You get S sub n is equal to, and we get also n times 2a plus n minus 1 times d. A little bit of a drum roll here. N times 2a plus n minus 1 times d, all of that over 2. Now we've come up with a general formula, just a function of what our first term is, what our common difference is, and how many terms we're adding up. And so this is the generalized sum of an arithmetic sequence, which we call an arithmetic series.
Okay, that's all from the video. Thank you.